Good morning. We're in Katahdin for Christian's bachelor party. He's getting married in like a week, and we came here to do a quick boys trip and go fishing and go hike up to Mount Katahdin. And so this morning's our first day here, and the plan is to just go hike Mount Katahdin, and afterwards we might do a little bit of fishing and hanging out. So right now I'm just watching the sunrise. It's really beautiful. The mountains just reflecting off the lake, and a little bit of like steams just rising above the lake. It's really, really beautiful. This is like my first time up in this area of Maine. I usually do come over to Maine pretty often, but I don't do any like hiking or anything, so I'm kind of excited to see like. We got 2 cabins at Daicey Pond and a campsite at the trailhead for Katahdin. These cabins are in Baxter State Park, and getting a reservation for them was super hard. Shout out to Corbin for managing all the logistics and booking them for us. Corbin, Trey, and I shared a cabin while Christian got his own. Sam and Charlie tent camped at the campground right by the trailhead.
We'll be ready soon.
We had a big breakfast with eggs, bacon, and toast to fuel us for the big hike. We also prepped our sandwiches for lunch, which we ate at the summit.
We're here climbing Mount Katahdin with our boys.
Nice.
What up? We're out here like straight up, all from all over the United States. One homeless guy, pretty crazy. We're out here. It's really great. We made eggs and bacon this morning. Eggs and bacon. Had a little toasted bread. Made some bolognese last night. It was a good time. Anybody else have anything to say? You got to speak it into my chest though. Come here, Corbin. Come here, get in here.
Let's hit the trail.
Look at that. What's behind you, Biz?
I'm glad California left a good mark on you.
Dude, anybody else sweating their balls off?
Dude, it's so muggy. Holy shit.
We're not used to this shit.
Oh, bro.
Shit, bro.
This is like home. This feels. Yeah. Okay.
3 miles up Mount Katahdin. It's beautiful. It's glorious. We've gone through rivers, over waterfalls. We're about to go up to where the trees are no longer. It's called tree line. We're probably looking around 2,000 or 3,000 feet.
I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. There you go.
Trail around this, and it's good.
We'll bit that straight off.
Up the hill.
Oh man. Holy shit.
Hey team, we're all up here. Mount Katahdin. We're at altitude 3,400. Just about there. As you can see over here, there's some lakes. That's where we stayed last night. It was pretty good. We're here for Christian's bachelor party. Christian, do you have anything to say to us?
Congratulations to me.
Congratulations to Christian.
Because you kind of take a 5-minute rest. Like, this is best place for
That's yo.
We're doing a summit push.
All right.
Christian's bachelor party. We are at 3,867 feet in altitude. Pretty good. Almost to my home. Let's go.
Last push.
God, please give Trey salmonella.
No bass, no salmon, but salmon.
Salmonella.
We made it to the top of Mount Katahdin with this beautiful scenery back here. With little to no effort, the crew has made it to the top. We made and ate our sandwiches. We ate our eggs.
All right, now we're heading to the knife's edge.
We're going to the knife's edge, so
Yeah.
follow me to the knife's edge.
Run, Forrest, run, Forrest.
One.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
Pretty
big, actually.
Like
So-
that's the one where it splits off, like before the
Like,
mountain.
you know,
line.
like-
Yeah, it's actually a pretty
Good.
sizable hike.
So to sum it up here, we made it to the top of Katahdin, back to the cabins, safe and sound. Everybody reasonably died. It was wonderful. It was really great. 10 out of 10. 3 arrows to the chest.
On the last morning, we took the canoes out on Daicey Pond to try to fish. We also portaged over to Lily Pond to try our luck with the fishing there. We had to get over a beaver dam with the canoes to get to Lily Pond, which added some excitement to the adventure. The fishing wasn't great at Lily Pond either, but Sam did catch a 5-incher. We still enjoyed ourselves even though the fishing was non-existent. We docked and returned the canoes after a couple hours on the lakes, but it was a successful trip since we were all able to summit Mount Katahdin.